Hey guys, welcome to Data Studios. Today I will show you how to deactivate and delete your Facebook account for forever. So let's begin. The process is same for mobile and PC. So don't worry and make sure that you are connected with internet. First of all, you have to go and open your Facebook app and here we go. So once you here, you can see at the top right corner three mark line and you need to tap that option and you can find here settings and click to the settings, and here you can see the option named personal and account information and you need to tap that option. At the bottom you can find the option named account ownership and control and you need to tap that option. In here you can see the option named deactivation and deletion. You have to click the option. In here you can see there are two options: deactivate account or delete account. First of all, deactivate means your account would be temporarily disabled and your name, photo will be removed from most things you have shared. And delete account means the account would be deleted for permanent. So it's on up to you. In here I am going for deactivate account. So you need to click the option continue to account deactivation and you have to give your password. In here they will give you some reason and you can select any one of them. In here I am going for the first one and tap to the continue, and here click to the continue option, and here we can see the final one that deactivate my account and click to that option here. If you want to delete your account permanently, then you need to select the delete account and tap onto the continue to account deletion. As usual, you can see here some reason, then you need to select that continue, and here we can see the option that delete account. In here you want to put your password and click to that continue option and it will be deleted foreverly. The account will be deleted permanently and you will not find in Facebook. So that's it guys. If you guys like this video, then smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share with your friends and take care till then. Bye.